Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. My name is Bhaskar Jogi. I have almost 23 years of experience in the IT industry. I trained more than 50,000 people all over the world. We have completely online trainings. We are located in Hyderabad. So I wanted to tell you who is that who can get into IT industry. Many people are worried today. I'm working in the banking sector or the insurance sector, or I'm a housewife and I don't have any IT background. But because of artificial intelligence and the robotics and machine learning and data science, many jobs are getting automated. If your job is getting automated, definitely you lose the opportunity very soon. You will be working for Amazon BPO sector or a call center. Last 10 years, you're able to get only 4 to 5 lakhs of salary package. So you're stuck somewhere, right? You don't have the proper mentor or you don't have the proper guru who can guide completely to get into IT sector. So that is where the issue starts. You go to some institution, you get some kind of a courses you learn, and after that no mentor is going to be there. You're stuck and you cannot get into IT sector if you learn simply Udemy courses, or if you go to some institution simply by learning one course, you will not be able to get into IT industry. Okay, so you need to have complete roadmap. What kind of a technologies in the year 2023? Very soon we are going to be going to 2024. Now we are month of September, right? Today is September 2023. I'm recording this video. So what are the technologies that you need to have to get into IT industry? So few things we need to concentrate and we need to understand. So who can learn or who can get into IT industry? Or you may say that I'm a BCom graduate or MBA graduate. I'm working for the insurance company or the banking sector last 10 years. I'm into operations. I'm into BPO jobs. I'm getting very, very less salary. And I'm stuck in this. Nobody is there to guide me. So how, I can transit from the non-IT sector to IT sector? What is that I need to learn? I don't know the coding. My salary is very, very less. I don't have any proper mentor. So I'm completely stuck. I don't know what to do with my life. Right. So many people are getting this kind of an issues. The solution is that if you have the proper mentor, he will be able to help you to come into IT industry. We have very low coding or no coding technologies are available nowadays in the IT industry. You can learn those technologies and getting into IT industry very, very easily. Maximum it will take 3 to 6 months of time. Maximum it will take 3 to 6 months of time. You should be able to getting into IT industry. Many people are nowadays talking about data analytics and data science, data engineering. Many people are talking about Python courses. Many people are talking about the cloud technologies. What is that I should learn? What is that will which technology will give me more job opportunities? As a non-IT guy, I should be able to get into the IT sector within 3 to 6 months time. Daily, you need to put a minimum 2 to 3 hours of efforts. Okay, practically you have to start doing the things, and you need to also completely the basics because you're a non-IT guy. You wanted to come into get into IT industry. You have to learn a couple of courses. Right. So what are the courses I can suggest you is that I can suggest you data analytics. So data analytics means in simple, understanding the past. Amazon company wanted to understand what was my sales in the last 5 years. So who can tell you that, reports and everything, data analytics, it is also called as a business intelligence. So business intelligence developer or the data analytics developer can create a beautiful reports and by taking the Amazon company's data. So data analytics means understanding the past. Clear? So you can complete the data analytics course within 3 months of time. So you have to start with SQL, and you're going to be learning Power BI. You're going to be learning data warehousing technologies. and you're going to be learning some ETL tools. So all these things you have to learn, and you should be able to complete within 3 months. Any non-IT people, even though you have a 10 years of a gap, or you have 15 years of education gap, or you are working for the IT or non-IT field for more than 10 years in the BPO sector with the less salary, you are the best guy to join in this data analytics course with us. The new batch we are going to be starting from October 2nd, 2023, morning 8 o'clock. We are going to be starting Indian Standard Timing. If you wanted to learn this course, definitely, even though you have 10-15 years of educational gap, so from very basic salaries, you may be earning 4 lakhs per annum last 10 years, or 5 lakhs per annum, or you don't have any job, so directly you can get into minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary package in India. Minimum 3 years of experience when you keep it. Minimum 3.5 years of experience when you keep it as a data analytics, you will be able to get from 4 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So recently, one of our student joined in the April batch. She was working for Amazon company in last 10 years, and her salary was only 4 lakhs. Now recently, after completing the course, April month she joined, she completed the course in month of June. Now she got almost 15 lakh salary package within 3 to 4 years of experience. She applied and she got it. So she's from completely non-IT background, mechanical and civil background, and she's able to crack the interview. So this is one course you will be able to learn. And many people are talking about data science course. So data science will be very, very difficult. So don't jump into data science, because many people are talking about data science that is also called as a machine learning or artificial intelligence. Clear? So don't get into data science directly by saying, some YouTuber is telling me to learn this course, or my cousin is telling, to learn this course. Don't get into data science directly. It will take minimum of 18 months to complete it, right? So to go into data analytics, you need basic mathematics. 10th standard mathematics is sufficient. If you wanted to go into data analytics, 10th class mathematics is sufficient. But if you wanted to go into data science, you have to know, so the complex mathematics, you have to know it, right? You have to know, a lot of machine learning algorithms you need to practice. You have to know statistics you have to know. Clear? Complex mathematics, calculus, linear algebra. So a lot of other things you have to know, and which is very, very difficult for you to get into IT industry. Directly do not go into the data science. Data science will take the company's data. It is going to be predicting the data. Data analytics can tell you what, what was happened in the company, what was my sales. That is what is data analytics. Or you can say reporting the past is called as a data analytics. Reporting the past is called as a data analytics. You can take one company's data, then you can say what was the sales of this company last 5 years in India. Amazon company wanted to know what was my sales in the last Ramzan, last Diwali, and what was my sales last year, last 10 years. So completely reporting the past is called data analytics or the business intelligence. Data science means you are going to be predicting by taking the old data of the company. The Amazon company wanted to understand what would be my sales next 5 years. So you're going to be predicting, okay? Predicting the past, predicting the future is called as a data science. Clear? It is also called as a machine learning. So you need to understand the difference between data analytics and data science. Data analytics reporting the past, you need to take the data, company's data, then you are going to be creating a lot of reports. What was my sales, blah, blah, blah. But you take the same historical data of Amazon.com, data science people are going to be predicting what would be my sales, what would be my growth next 5 years. It is completely predicting the future is called as a data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence. If you wanted to get into data science, I strongly recommend your journey has to start from the data analytics and slowly you have to go into data science. Okay, data analytics, data science put together, it may take 2 years minimum. So I don't recommend you take directly data science. Clear? So basic technologies that you have to know to understand data sciences, you have to know SQL, you have to know Python language, and you have to know the maths. Math is important. Then stats are important, not the basics, complex stats. Then you have to understand machine learning models. So a lot of models you have to know, and that you need to implement. So all these models to be implemented in a language called Python. Python is the easiest language that you have to know. Clear? So that is what one more option. But I don't recommend the non-IT people directly get into data science saying that data science will create a lot of job opportunities. I wanted to learn data science means it is completely a myth, and you will face a lot of issues if you're getting into data science directly. You get data analytics, you learn the data analytics, you can complete this within 3 months. And we are starting a new batch from the month of October. So October 2nd, 2023, we're starting data analytics morning 8 o'clock. If you wanted to get into this, you can just call these numbers. You can get the online training meeting ID. You will be able to enroll for it. And it is a 3 months course, and the fee structure and everything. These numbers, when you ring, they will be able to tell you the meeting ID and everything. You will be able to get it by your WhatsApp or email ID. You need to call these numbers. Clear? So that is what is called data analytics and data science. I don't recommend to learn the data science directly. The next course we have data engineering. So many people will be talking about data engineering. Data engineering, where you will be learning SQL, SQL is important, and you will be able to learn ETL tools. And nowadays we're also learning some kind of a cloud tools. Okay, cloud means in Microsoft technologies there is a cloud called Azure, and in that we are going to be learning ADF, then ADB. All these things you will be able to learn and to getting into this. And even data engineering, non-IT people can learn very easily. And this is also 3 months course. Within 3 months you will be able to learn this. Or many people also will learn data analytics, and they will also learn data engineering. Clear? So what is a data engineering? What is a data analytics? What is a data science? Let us understand one by one. Data analytics means understanding the past. Data science means predicting the future, right? So data analytics and data science needs data. So both of them needs a company's historical data. For example, Amazon company is there. Amazon company historical data. Historical data means till yesterday's data. Yesterday's history, right? So till yesterday's data, Amazon company has to be, it is storing its company's data somewhere, right? So the question is that the data of Amazon company may not be useful for the data analytics or the data science people readily. So what we need to do, data engineering guy will be going to Amazon.com or Amazon company. They will be able to get the Amazon data. Amazon data may not be available in a single place, may not be available in a single platform, may not be available in a single environment. You have some data in Android, you have some data in US, you have some data in flat file, you have some data in, let us say, in India. So all this data belong to Amazon company's data, but Amazon wanted to either analyze the past performance, or it would like to predict how would be the sales in the next 5 years in India. That is the Amazon company wanted to predict. If they wanted to predict, they wanted to have the Amazon data. These people wanted to have the Amazon data. Who's going to be supplying this data? These guys are going to be supplying the data to these people. So data engineering means get the data, clean the data, you transform the data, You store the data in the central place. So data engineering people will be supplying the data to the data analytics and data science people, so that you will take the data. One team is going to be understanding the past, one more team is going to be predicting the future. So data engineering team is going to be taking the data from the different sources, and they will be able to clean, transform, and load the data into the big data systems, or in the data warehouse systems, or data lake systems, or the cloud systems. So these people are going to be only working with the data. The data will be available by data analytics team, for the data science team, by the data engineering team. So data engineering is called as a data preparation team. For example, I wanted to prepare a food dish, let us say biryani. I wanted to make a food biryani for 1,000 people. Now tell me, to prepare 1,000 packs biryani, I have to get the raw material. I have to get the I have to get the rice, and I have to get the sample rice and see whether the rice is good or bad. And I have to procure lot of vegetables. I have to go and check and vegetables are clean or not. Now I have to get the spices. Now get them, clean them, fry them, grind them, soak them, marinate them. So a lot of things I need to do with the spices. Then I have to get the chicken and cut them, clean them. So lot of work I have to do it, right? So if you wanted to prepare a chicken biryani or a chicken pizza, you have to get the raw material. Now tell me, to get the raw material, can it happen within 1 hour or within one day? No, 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 no. You have to start at least 10-20 days before, because you have to prepare the biryani for 500 people. You have to go visit four rice stores. You need to collect the sample rice bags, sample chicken, sample vegetables. After that, you need to finalize rice and chicken. After that, you have to go get the rice bag one day before, and after that you have to clean the rice bags. At least 1 week before, you need to get the spices, then dry them, fry them, then powder them. Then after that, one day before, you need to get the chicken, cut them, clean them, then soak them and marinate them. So this process is called as a food preparation. Now everything you will be able to get it. So you marinate and you keep everything is ready. On the biryani making day, chef is going to be coming and is going to be making the biryani for 500 people within 3 to 4 hours. Morning 7 o'clock he will come. The chef is going to come, taking all the ingredients. What are the ingredients you have collected last 10-20 days? So chicken, vegetables, rice, all of them you have, right? All of them will be taken by the chef, and within 3 to 4 hours, he will be able to create a proper biryani. So what is going to be taking a little more time means data food preparation will take. Food preparation means data preparation, getting the data, cleaning the data, storing the data, getting the rice, cleaning the rice, getting the vegetables, cleaning the vegetables, chopping the vegetables, cutting the vegetables, getting the chicken, cutting the chicken. This will take a lot of time. So data engineering means it is similar to food preparation. Once all items are ready, any chef can go and prepare the chicken biryani within 3 to 4 hours. So data engineering will be getting the data from the different places. You go to the vegetable shop, get the vegetables. You go to the chicken shop, get the chicken. You go to the rice shop, get the rice. You have to visit multiple places to get the all ingredients. So you will be able to store them in a single place, so that the chef can come tomorrow. He will be able to make the chicken biryani for you. So data engineering, so means it is data collection team. Get the data of the company, clean the data, store the data. Using this data tomorrow, you're going to be preparing data analytics, data science within fraction of minutes or seconds. One food is when the items are ready, then chef can come within 1 hour or 3 hours. He can prepare the food for 500 people. So data analytics, data science will become very easy when you have the data ready. To get the data ready, data engineering team has to start the work earlier. So however, the food preparation process has to take a lot of time. The same way, data engineering team has to go to Amazon company, collect all the data from different places, different environments, and the data engineering team will be cleaning the data, transforming the data. Transforming means changing the data. So you may, for example, entire chicken I cannot have it. I need to cut them into spices. right? I cannot have the vegetables, I have to cut them. So it is a transforming the data, cutting the vegetables as required. Okay, however the chef need, in the same way you need to cut the chicken, the same way you need to cut the vegetable. That is how you have the data, but you need to transform the data, how data analytics team is going to be using, how data science team is going to be using. So you will be able to understand SQL or database management system, ETL, cloud, Azure, ADF. You're going to be learning. Any non-IT people can learn these technologies within 3 months, and they can also get into ITs. Clear? So I strongly recommend to go into either data analytics, or you can go into data engineering, or you can learn data analytics and data data engineering. Data engineering means what I told you: get the data, clean the data, store the data. That is what is called data engineering. Data analytics: you take the data, you analyze, you create a report. In the report you're showing the month wise sales. So which month is highest sales, which month is lowest sales, that kind of a report you're going to be creating in your data analytics. Here we are going to be working with the reporting tools. Clear? Like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker, lot of reporting tools, anybody can get into that. So data engineering, you have to know. Data analytics, you have to know. Or data science also, you have to know. But data science will be very, very difficult part. So you can learn either purely data analytics, or you can also learn pure data engineering. So data science I don't recommend, because it will take 18 months. You can complete this course within 3 months. You can complete this course within 3 months. Go Online Trainings is offering both courses, and we have certified trainers, and within 3 to 4 months you will be able to complete. And non-IT people can get into this. Minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary package you will be able to get, even though you are a housewife or BCom MBA background. Even though you have, age is not a factor. You, sir, I'm having age of 40, 43. So age is just a number, because IT industry is a private industry. They wanted to have your skills, not your age. Clear? So they will conduct the interview. If you know these things, then they definitely, then you will be able to get into IT industry. Remember one thing: because of AI, artificial intelligence, or the chat GPT, removing repetitive jobs. For example, you're a recruiter, then your job will be, definitely will be removed very soon. Or you're a operational in charge, or your loan application in charge, or you're going to be collecting some data. So these chota mota jobs, small jobs will get, occupied by the AI applications. But you have, people who are earning more salaries. So those jobs are not getting automated by AI. So AI is going to be replacing the, you know, jobs. Clear? The people who are earning less salaries, those jobs will get automated more and more. So thank you guys. You will be able to learn this kind of a courses, and call us, and we will be able to help you. And these are completely online courses, and you can learn these courses online. And videos, daily videos, we are going to be recording and saving, serving it to you. And even though you're not able to attend the online classes, you can buy the videos. And if you get any questions, we are there to support, we are there to mentor, and offline. And these are the numbers you can call, and you will be able to buy the videos, or you will be able to, connect to the online classes as well. We will be able to help you to transform from non-IT to IT. So age is just a number, and don't worry about it. Qualification could be any graduate: BA, BCom, BSc, Open University, guys. Anybody can get into this, no problem at all, qualification wise. So what to learn? Also, I have told you SQL, cloud technologies, this kind of a technologies you can learn. Non-coding or low coding tools you can learn. Duration minimum 3 months, and maximum it go up to 6 months. And a roadmap, we will give you complete roadmap, and complete mentoring I'm going to be giving with my experience, guys. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can call me or you can ask me. My name is Bhaskar Jogi, and thank you, guys. The meeting link for the data analytics batch will be given very soon. And in the description link also, you can see data analytics batch. You can also call these numbers for the more details, or you can also write me a mail and tell me your phone number in that mail. I will be able to call you directly. Thank you guys.